Hey Amanda, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me this morning and requesting this custom video. Today we are going to go over just a few tips that you guys can apply right away to help you have a better online presence and get more of those organic leads. It is important to note that 70% of your organic leads actually come from your website. So it is going to be important that it is optimized so that you can grab and get those leads. So we are on your website. You have a good looking website. It looks like you have separate page for each of your services, which is perfect. It's exactly what you need. Okay. A little bit of content here. Service in Kansas City and surrounding areas. So, if you don't have them, you're going to want a separate page for each service community that you service outside of Kansas City if there's any type of search volume. So you can be found in those cities for your services. Okay. I'm not really seeing any buyer intent keywords going on here. Those are what's going to be used to rank your website. Okay, so just at first glance, I'm not seeing any service area pages. Not to say you don't have them, but if you don't, you definitely should. And they need their own each unique content on each page. Google does not rank a website based on appearance. It's solely based on content. Content is key when it comes to ranking. So you need more content than your competitors. And you need to focus your content on local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords people are actively searching for the services that you're providing. And they need to be location based unless you are performing these services around the United States. Those location based keywords, those are going to be the keywords people are actively searching for the services that you offer. They may not know the name of your company, but they know when there's an emergency what service they need, and that's what they're going to be searching. So that's what your content needs to be built around. Not just on your home page, but on all of your pages. Google wants to see a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on that home page, or more if your competitors have more. Because Google has robots called crawlers that go and index all of your pages, pulling that content and the keywords so they can rank you for those keywords and get you in front of your customers. So it is really important that you dial in that content and keyword strategy so you can be found for your services. One of your top competitors when it comes to commercial restorations is Fine Restoration. They have a decent looking website. They're in the same service area. Let's see. You can see they're going after those local buyer intent keywords. They have that repetition of the keywords, which is necessary for indexing them. They have more content. And they got a lot of interlinking of pages, which is also important when it comes to search engine optimization. In order to beat these guys, one of the first things you're going to have to do is beat their content. You need more content, better quality. You need to focus on those buyer intent keywords so that you can start ranking for those. The next part is going to be search engine optimization. So here is Ahrefs, which tells us how your website is performing. You have a rating of a 12 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which isn't terrible. But this rating is based off your domains and your backlinks. So you have over 563 backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you do need to make sure that you're getting the high authority backlinks that are directly related to your industry and that are do follows. You need more backlinks than your top competitors, and you also need better quality backlinks than your top competitors in every one of your service areas. You've been indexed for 185 keywords, but you're only getting on average 38 people to your website every month. Looking at your keywords, you have five keywords that have made it to the first page. So fire restoration, Kansas City, smoke damage, Kansas City, commercial mold remediation. So you're going to have a little bit more work that you're going to have to do to get your keywords ranked. These are, oh good, these are being ranked for your fire smoke restoration page. So that's great. This is your competitor. They only have a rating of a 3 with over 792 backlinks. So that just goes to show not all backlinks are created equal. And they have a lot of backlinks that are of no value to them, that are bringing their score down. So you need not just more in quantity, but in quality than these guys. And it looks like majority of these backlinks are being pushed to their homepage, which actually is not helping them in ranking. So they're actually missing out on quite a bit. But they have been indexed for over 234 keywords, and they're currently getting over 274 people to their site each and every month. So they're missing quite a bit of traffic as well, but they're ranking higher for the relevant keywords, which is why they are one of your top competitors. Now, what backlinks are is when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant these websites are that are linking to you, the more power and more authority it's going to give you. And it is important that you're linking these backlinks to more than just your brand and your homepage. They need to be linking to your keywords so you can be ranking for those keywords and be found for those services in each of your service areas. And as you can see on this page, almost all of your backlinks are going directly to your homepage and to your brand. So it's not actually helping you when it comes to rank for your services and being found for those services in each of your service areas. And the next thing I want to talk about is this Google Maps section or Google My Business. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for each of your service areas and your relative keywords, because 30% of people go straight to the maps. They don't go anywhere else. And so if you're not in this top 3, you're sending all of those leads to your competitors. In order to be in the top 3, there are several factors, but the most important is something called citations, which is going to be the name of the business, an address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Dex, Yellow Pages, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. So you need a lot more of those than your top competitor and better quality as well. When you follow all of these tips I've provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your relative keywords in your service areas. We hope that you found this video to be helpful and that you'll be able to apply these tips and begin ranking to the first page of Google and getting those organic leads. If you need help getting any of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.